We are currently in Silent Hill with our leader, party leader, Dr. Peter Phillips, and our very own MP Richard Azan. I am very sorry that the live had not gone on earlier. We had some connectivity problems. But our party leader, Dr. Peter Phillips, is here with us. There he is. Let me zoom in so you can get a better view. That is our party leader, Dr. Peter Phillips. That is our MP and his wife. A lot of excitement here in Silent Hill as our member of parliament, our MP, and our lead party leader is here with us in Silent Hill. Thank you. People, in a short time, you know what we tell us on the team already. Check this. Construction of basic schools, school feeding programs, construction of computer labs. No, Mr. Bunting has left us in his constituency in the banana ground, so we are just here with our member of parliament, Richard Azan, and our party leader.
Here is more at school trade center and vocational department. Big up the man. Who did that? What is he? So while you're moving, keep on listening to more achievements from Comrade Richard Azan. Catch this. Stop like you're Spalding. Spalding Market. Transport center in a Franfield and Spalding.
Our supporters are here in their colors, live. Our supporters are here. We are now on route to Spalding, Spalding. Here we come, Spalding, here we come.
What is the
We're working on a tight time schedule because, as you know, curfew begins at 7 p.m. and we need to be in Spalding by at least 7. I'm just saying 6:30. Oh, them come. Just take your time.
First one.
They're coming. Big up to all those who have tuned in to us on live today. Something drop on my leg. Something fell on my leg. Something fell on my foot. Can you take it up?
Look on our leg. What drop on our leg?
Much love going out for MP Richard Azan. We're still in silence on our way to Spalding. Big up PMP all the time. Best MP ever, and I will agree with you. Richard Azad is one of the most hardworking member of parliament here in Jamaica. The PMP posse has rolled out today in their great number. Coming behind us is the Dr. Peter Phillips, the party leader. Now in Moravia, heading to Spalding. Azan all the way, all the way, all the way. We just passed the health center here in Moravia that our own MP Richard Azan built. A man of dignity, hard-working man. Our supporters are here and they're in their number. Big up to all the comrades in Jamaica coming from Janet Hanson. Team PMP coming from Lloyd Wilkinson. Carol Ivy said, why is the police riding outside the vehicle? Please be careful. Oh my God. It's their duty, Carol. I think they do this every day. Power all day, every day. Power, we say power. More power. Once more, we want to welcome those who are just joining us on live. We are in Moravia heading to Spalding.
Oh, these men keys beyond belief. It's like Alibaba and the 46.
Richard Azan is the real big man. Vote September 3rd, 2020. Make sure you put your X beside the head. Coming from Oretta Briscoe, PMP to the world, coming from USA. And on September 3rd, we will get rid of them once you put your X beside the head.
Think we done? No. we not done. Man, keeping
Jesus.
I been done. Not to mention who deep the grass. And 100,000 for keep to rise.
Big up to Yolanda Brown, Hannah K. Brown, Clarissa Hansa, big up, Bianca Mundle. We're now in Moravia heading to Alston to go back to Spalding. Merlin Anderson, big up yourself. Big up, big up, big up, Merlin. Marlene Niels, big up yourself. You have been with us from morning until now. Big up yourself. Sheila Casanova, big up yourself. Rosalie Anderson, big up yourself. Latoya Young, of course, we will get rid of them on September 3rd. Once you come to Jamaica and put your ex beside them. Anne-Marie Roper, big up yourself. Clarissa Hansen, power to the world. Lloyd Wilkinson, big up yourself. Xavier Walters, you are here and you are live. Big up yourself, Xavier. Make sure on September 3rd you vote for PNP, the People's National Party, and you do that by putting your ex beside the head.
Beyond belief, it's like a liver and before his teeth.
I tell you, the comrades here in Northwest Clarendon, they are something else. They are all for the party, and MP Richard Azan is all for the people. Richard Azan is always for the people. Make sure you vote Richard Azan on September 3rd by putting your ex beside the head. I win, you win. This is not Digital Rising Star, but I will let's say you make sure you come out and vote on September 3rd. Vote, vote, vote. We are now in Top Alston, heading to Alston and then to the town of Spalding. Yes, Raquel Brown White, indeed we thank God for MP Richard Azan. He has done a lot in his constituency, and because of that we are grateful and we will always appreciate him. Remember, on election day, put your X beside the head. We don't know we don't need two X's or three X's. We just need one X beside the head. Nadine Johnson, right now we are not so concerned about the curfew right now. Our main purpose here is to get into the town of Spalding, so the people of the People's National Party can get to see their party leader, Peter Phillips. With your votes, with your help on election day, we will come out victorious and we will take over Jamaica.
In the Motorcade, what God he does is like Denver. Beyond belief, it's like Alibaba and the 40
Dr. Peter Phillips is in the vehicle behind us with his security detail.
Give me the fist, give me the fist, give me the fist. And in the ear, make with sweep for bad mind, make with sweep for the thief in crime, make with sweep for the false promise. Yo, hunted, get up with blue, Peter Phillips, better blue. Yo, Julian, get up blue. Everybody, slave, hunted, slave, Peter, slave, Julian, slave.
We are now in the Alston Square where our supporters have come out to support our Member of Parliament and of course our party leaders, along with people of the JLP, the Labourites, but we pay them no mind.
You can have your foot if you want in your heart for your tweet. Bring them round in a circle. Move to the beat, pass it up to the right, to the front, to the weed. Them a sweep, them a sweep, them a sweep.
Our party leader is of course training his supporters here in Alston Square. Cool day here in Alston, Clarendon. Thank you for the blessings and the blood coverage here. We need it, we need it, we need it. All day, every day. Without God, none of this would be possible, right? We are out here and stunting. The supporters of the People's National Party are out and stunting. Big up to you, Keisha Dixter Smith. Anderson Queen is waving at us. Listen, what's your big up yourself? Ciara Johnson, big up yourself. Marlon, big up yourself. Shelby Hanson McDonough, big up yourself. Cindy Collington, big up yourself. Big up yourself all the time. Sheila Casanova, big up yourself. Sherry Smith, big up yourself. Charmaine Walker, big up yourself. Big up, big up, big up, big up all the time. There's no party like the People's National Party. We are out here on our route morning. As our PMP supporters like to say, PMP party come down, river come down bank to bank, and I am sure on election day we will prove that the Labourites have nothing against us or nothing over us. Ain't no party like the People's National Party. Here in the All Sun headed to Spalding, and the people are out here waving in their number and their color. Alicia Sinclair, we see you. Kevon, we see you. All the way in St. Vincent. Nadine Johnson, we see you. Everton Salmon, we see you. Laverne Paul, we see you. A beautiful PMP evening. It is indeed Mrs. Raquel Brown White. Tashi Love, we see you, we see you, we see you. Ingrid Barnett, we see you. Somebody say as an up, but I want to say as an up like 7. I tell you, all the supporters of the People's National Party are out in their numbers, and they are so excited to see our party leader, Dr. Peter Phillips. But I must tell you, comrades, the Labourites are shaking in their shoe as we speak, and as we tour Northwest Clarendon, they are shaking in their shoe. Look at our conference with their room, all ready to sweep all the members of the Jamaican Labour Party who call them the Labourites, the Green Man. We are ready to sweep them out. They thought they could get rid of the PMP this easily. They had a next guest coming. Get rid of them. And on September 3rd, we will indeed get rid of them. Marlon News, we're here for you. This is what we're here for, to bring you live coverage of our constituency while you are not here.
Everybody, give me the fist, give me the fist, give me the fist. And in the ear, make we sweep with bad mind, make we sweep with the thief in crime, make we sweep with the false promise. Yo, Bunting, get your push broom. Peter Phillips, get a broom. Yo, Julian, get a broom. Everybody, slave, Bunting, slave, Peter, slave, Julian, slave, Mark, slave, Peter Phillips, slave, Angela, slave, Ian, slave, Powell, slave, Azam, slave, Luther, slave, Malaki, slave.
We are now in 9 miles, heading to Zinc Shop and then in the town of Spalding. On September 3rd, we will be drinking not just red wine but white wine as well. When we come out victorious, we will be celebrating all day September 4th.
Anytime bunting a dance, we no keep room. From the window we must be the pretty like him put a broom. Anytime Satan a dance, we no keep room. The window we must be the pretty like him put a broom. Anytime Julian a dance, we no keep room. The window we must be the pretty like him put a broom. Him a dance, we no keep room. And the window we must be the pretty like him put a broom. You can't do them if you want it, no hard for you to eat. With them running a circle, move to the beat. From the down to the blind, the people are weak. Them a sweet, them a sleep, them a sweet. Babylon wall up of the dance and the music go sweet. Surprise to the vibe, them pull up and see the whole of the PM party. In the street, we are sweet, we are sweet, we are sweet, we are like a you know, but we put them down in trees, them are rubbish. Can't only push them up in a heap. Anyway, music a play and anyway dance and keep we are sweet, sweet. They go be sweet, they go be sweet. Come on, when you are born sweet, make them we have been partying and the niggas and the street, them are
Winning all the way over here on the People's National Party side. link up heading into the town of Spalding where the excitement awaits us. Ain't no doubt that Spalding people will be so excited and very elated to see our party leader, Dr. Peter Phillips, and our very own MP Richard. We are now entering the town of Spalding. A lot of excitement here in Spalding. There he is, our party leader, Dr. Peter Phillips. And we are here live and direct in Spalding, where we bring you live coverage of what is happening here in Northwest Clarendon over on the People's National Party. And we are live, we are here, and we are live over here. We are here in the town of Spalding, coming to you with live coverage. Grand entrance is indeed Don Ferguson here in Spalding as we arrive with the town of Spalding with our MP Richard Azand, and our Member of Parliament and our party leader Dr. Peter Phillips. The people are asking for our Member of Parliament from Central Manchester, Dr. Peter Bunting, but he is not here unfortunately. Excitement turn up indeed in the town of Spalding. PNP to the world, and as we will say, power to the people. We are live and direct here in Spalding, where there's a lot of excitement here in Spalding. PMP River come down, bank to bank supporters are out, live and direct supporters are here as we are live in Spalding.
No, that's it. That was it.
We have to sketch up this one. Let me stand up. Stand up. Come on. Hey, bang. Go on, come in. We are coming to you live from Spalding. Speaking on the man now is our party leader, Dr. Peter Phillips.
You can't swap somebody who show you good service time and time again for someone who has never managed to deliver service anywhere they go. So I agree, and I want you to agree that you're not taking the deportee. You're take that reject. You're going to stay with someone tried, tested, and proven in Richard Hazard. I want to say also that when you do service that Richard Hazard has given, whether it is support from basic schools, whether it is support for health centers, whether it is the trust arrangements of assignment in another places, Richard Hazard has demonstrated his ability to serve. So now, we want to stay with Richard Hazard. We are committed in the People's National Party to giving better service. We are committed, and our manifesto has just come out, and it shows you what each category of person can expect from the PNP. But I am going to mention one commitment here. That is that we are committed that any child, any person who matriculates to university and is the first in their family will get a full scholarship from the People's National Party. We come to advance progress. We come to make progress reach the ordinary Jamaican people. We come to make people have an opportunity for better housing. This is why they are also committed. They are also committed to ensuring that we have a rent-to-own plan in the National Housing Trust. If you pay your rent over a period of time, your rent will be converted into a mortgage that will enable you to become an owner. We come for the ordinary Jamaican people, and in Northwest Clarendon, we're making one commitment to all the people in Silent Hill and Cumberland, and the people in Top Hill and Thompson Town, that we are going to ensure that the water that should have been delivered already will be delivered to the people of Northwest. Carry that in instruction. The final thing I want to say, I want to take this coronavirus is this. I don't want anyone to treat it lightly. There is a curfew that starts in a little while. We can't break it because we want everyone to be healthy and ready to go and vote on the 3rd of September. We don't want anyone sick. We don't want anyone can't turn up. We want them all to do. And I want to say something to the politicians because the government announced that they didn't want any communities to mix up. They never want no motorcades to mix up. But I hear the Prime Minister going to in St. Elizabeth, they're going to be in South Manchester, they're going to be in Central Manchester, they're going to be in Northwest Clarendon. I hope that somebody is monitoring to see that we're not mixing up the different motorcades that are going on, because it is only going to spread the disease. And we have not been getting a full accounting by the government of Jamaica. So comrades, are you ready for Richard Azan? Are you ready for progress? So if you're ready, we ready. Let's get together and bring out the victory. Time come now to get rid of them. Get rid of them. Sweep them out. When you consider the amount of thieving and corruption we're going, think of how much water steam it could give you. Think of how much back to school it could give you. Think of how much new classroom school it could give you. Think of how much scholarship university it could give you. $14 billion worth of your money that has been misused and stolen by those who are in office and have the authority. Comrades, until we meet again, one hand, one love. God bless you all.
I
Yes, we are PMP town. Yes, we are PMP town. Only Cleveland is there. Only Cleveland is there.
So, Comrade Williams, give us a recap of today.
Well, it was a good proceeding so far. The day has went well. Numerous amount of comrades were out in their numbers. So only thing we need to do on the 3rd is to just get all those votes in the ballot box. And surely, Mr. Azan will be back in office at Garden House. Thank you.
Samoya. Who? CK is Brandon. Yeah, me see me. Oh, you want to talk? Alright, so this is Miss Angie from the Spalding Division.
Yes. I just want to tell all the deportees that they're going to take their flight and leave Northwest Clarendon. This is Richard Azan town, Spalding town. Oh, me said that. One love.
You see Brandon?
No.
What is it, Brandon? No, sir. How am I? All right, with us now we have our campaign manager, Mrs. Natalie Walker-Rose.
I'd like to say thank you to all the persons that came out today and give us our support right across Northwest Clarendon. I want the people of Northwest Clarendon know that MP Richard Azan is the way to go. When he wins, we win. When I win, you win is our slogan that we're using for this campaign. And I know that when we deliver on September 3rd, that Northwest Clarendon will only get bigger and better with the work of MP Richard Azan. I want all the voters to go out on election day. Don't take this crowd for granted. On election day, let us organize and everybody come out and vote Richard Azan on September 3rd. Thank you. Way to go. Woo!
We are live and direct here in Spalding, where we have stopped with our Honorable MP Richard Azan. I want to say thank you for all those who tune in live to us. I know you enjoyed our live footage, and we will be here to give you the updates on election day. So big up to you once more. All over the world, all over Jamaica, we know you have tuned in, so big up once more.
And of course, that is my co-host for the day, Miss Sabina Smith. You're good?
Now look down just before then.
Alright, no problem. Alright, ladies and gentlemen, we are about to bring the curtains down here in Spalding. Of course, we will have to respect the curfew. So we are trying to get the persons out of the town and back to their respective communities. I am looking to see if I can find Comrade Shirley for him to say his bit of thank you to the comrades that are with us on live. Alright, with me now I have Comrade Shirley, caretaker for the Thompson Division. I will let him give his bit. Comrade Shirley.
Yes, good evening. Well, today was a very successful day with our party leader, and we want to ensure that Richard Azan remain as Member of Parliament for Northwest Clarendon. Hard-working Member of Parliament, one of the best Member of Parliament ever to touch Northwest Clarendon. So I believe the citizens of Northwest Clarendon get the opportunity and the time now to re-elect Comrade Azan as their Member of Parliament. I am saying before that we have a current government that we speak of which is uncare to the people. How can you call election in the peak of the COVID at this time. So I am appealing to all Jamaicans to go out on the 3rd and vote out the JLP. Also ensure that Andrew loses his seat as well. God bless you all.
Alright, that is Comrade Shirley from the Thompson Division. We are clearing the town, as I say, comrades, but I'm trying to get feedback from different persons from various communities of this constituency. Of course, I know you'd like to hear back from Mr. Azan before he departs for the day, so I am trying to get him to stay back. Brandon, sorry, didn't want to see you now. You talked to him already?
Where is it? Yo.
I want to say a big thank you to all our supporters, starting with Dr. Phillips, our party leader, and to Comrade Peter Bunting, who are joining us here on the tour today of North East Clarendon. And I want to thank you to all our supporters for the good behavior
Alright, there we have it from MP Richard Azan sharing his bit of thank you. I am looking for the councillor for the Spalding division. I am looking, but the crowd here is a bit thick. I am looking if I see Comrade Trevor Gordon for the Spalding division. Comrade Gordon for the Spalding division. Oh. Say something for the live. As you can see, the town of Spalding is completely blocked off. Unfortunately, many persons are out here, even though there's a restriction. Alright, comrades, this is where we say our goodbyes. This is where we say thank you for joining us today. Of course, you can join us tomorrow because we will be on the road every day until the 3rd, and after the 4th will be the grand celebration when we return Richard Azan as Member of Parliament. Want to thank those in the USA, want to thank those in Canada, Jamaica, every parish, Cayman, St. Kitts, Europe, Africa, Japan, China, every country where you're from. We want to thank you guys for joining us today. On behalf of Richard Azan, we say good night, sleep tight. Good night.